Hi, welcome back to my videos on how to use animal drugs at FDA or the FDA Greenbook. So today we're just going to go through the advanced search settings. So last time we went through the quick search, we can just search anything in here like Careprofen and it'll pop up with all of the results for Careprofen. So if you're wanting something maybe a little more detailed or you don't have all of the information, the advanced search is a great place to go. I actually prefer to use the advanced search just because it can limit things a little more. So on this one, you can search by application number, ingredient, or sponsor name. So those are all things that you can do through the quick search as well. So on the advanced search, you could search by application status, dosage form, proprietary name, route, indication, or species. So say we were only wanting Careprofen, but we wanted the Carpreve. So here it's going to show you all of those, and I do prefer to type a little slower when I'm using this because then it will autofill those for you. So it'll show us those chewable tablets and only bring up the one made by Norbrook Laboratories. And like I said last time, it's got that ANADA number starting in 200. We can see that it's approved, and we can get that Pioneer drug number. It's going to have all of the exact same information. This is just a little way to find it. Thanks.